Hi guys. Welcome to Science Info District. Let's see. Top 5 humanoid robots. The concept of humanoid robots dates back to ancient times, with myths and legends of artificial beings that could perform human-like tasks. However, the first functional humanoid robot was created in 1926 by the Italian engineer Leonardo Torres y Quevedo. These robots are often used in various industries, including healthcare, education, and manufacturing. We will explore top 5 humanoid robots and their applications. 5. Pepper, developed by SoftBank Robotics. Pepper is a popular semi-humanoid robot that is used in a variety of settings, including homes, offices, and stores. Pepper is capable of recognizing faces and emotions and can hold conversations with people. It is designed to be a friendly and helpful companion. Pepper was introduced in Tokyo on June 5, 2014. Pepper went on sale in June 2015 with the first batch of 1,000 units selling out in just 60 seconds. Pepper is currently being used as a receptionist at several offices in the UK and is able to identify visitors with the use of facial recognition. It has 4 feet height with lithium-ion battery of 12 hours operation capacity. For NAO, developed by Aldebaran Robotics, which was acquired by SoftBank Group in 2015 and rebranded as SoftBank Robotics. NAO is a small humanoid robot that is designed for education and research purposes. It is capable of recognizing faces and speech and can perform a variety of tasks. NAO is often used in schools and universities to teach programming and robotics. Its lithium battery provides power from 60 to 90 minutes. It has height of 1.8 feet. Three, ASIMO. Developed by Honda, ASIMO, Advanced Step and Innovative Mobility, is a highly advanced humanoid robot. ASIMO made its first public appearance in the US in 2002 when it rang the bell to open trade sessions for the New York Stock Exchange. From January 2003 to March 2005, the robot toured the US and Canada, demonstrating its abilities for more than 130,000 people. It stands at 4 feet 3 inches tall and can walk, run, climb stairs, and even dance. ASIMO has a variety of sensors and cameras that allow it to navigate and interact with its environment. With its lithium battery, it can go performing for 3 hours. Two, VALKYRIE. Developed by NASA, VALKYRIE is a humanoid robot designed to assist with human space exploration. NASA's VALKYRIE was designed and built by the Johnson Space Center, JSC, Engineering Directorate to compete in the 2013 DARPA Robotics Challenge, DRC, trials. VALKYRIE, a name taken from Norse mythology, is designed to be a robust, rugged, entirely electric humanoid robot capable of operating in degraded or damaged human-engineered environments. It is capable of walking, manipulating objects, and performing tasks in a variety of environments, including outer space. Its battery allows it to work for an hour. It has height of 6 feet and 2 inches. One, Atlas, developed by Boston Dynamics. Atlas is a highly advanced humanoid robot that is designed for mobility and manipulation tasks. It is capable of walking on rough terrain, lifting heavy objects, and performing complex tasks. Atlas has been used in a variety of research and development projects. Atlas's advanced control system and state-of-the-art hardware give the robot the power and balance to demonstrate human-level agility. Atlas has one of the world's most compact mobile hydraulic systems. A custom battery, valves, and a compact hydraulic power unit enable Atlas to deliver high power to any of its 28 hydraulic joints for impressive feats of mobility. It has height of 5.9 feet with speed of 1.5 meters per second. Its battery makes it to perform for 1 hour with payload capacity of 11 kilograms. Humanoid robots are a rapidly developing technology with a wide range of potential applications. While their use has the potential to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, education, and manufacturing, ultimately, the responsible development and deployment of humanoid robots could lead to a safer, healthier, and more productive future for all. What do you think, which one is the best humanoid robot? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.